Good morning mga ka-Chubster. So today is Saturday and Saturdays are for long run. So for today's video guys, mag-long run tayo for about 16 to 20 kilometers. LSD tayo today. So bawal lang ma-board. So inaantay ko lang guys yung mga kasamahan ko. So far ako pa lang yung nauna. So yun guys. So tara, LSD tayo. Let's go!
Oh, tabi. Side.
Umuusok! Oh! Zero visibility. It's winter time here in Dubai. Let's go. So nasa 12 kilometers na tayo guys. Whew. Grabe, hindi makita yung creek. Grabe. What's up guys?
Kita yan.
13K done. See you in the next vlog.